In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase video quality in CapCut PC. First, go ahead and open CapCut on your computer and load the project you're working on. Or start a new project and import your clips. Before we touch any settings, play your video once on the timeline to get a sense of how it currently looks. Notice things like sharpness, brightness, and whether the footage looks a bit blurry or pixelated. This will help you see the improvement later. Now let's move into the settings that actually affect quality. In CapCut on PC, most of the important controls are found when you get ready to export your video. So when you're done with your basic editing, look for the Export button, usually located in the top right corner of the interface, and click it. This opens the Export panel, which is where we can really boost quality. Inside the Export panel, you'll see options for resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. These three settings make the biggest difference. Start with resolution. If your original footage was recorded in 1080p, set the export resolution to 1920 by 1080. If you shot in 4K, choose the 4K option if it's available. Never upscale a low-resolution clip just for the sake of bigger numbers. It can make the file heavier without truly improving detail. Aim to match your export resolution to your source footage, or keep it at least as high as the platform you're uploading to requires. Next, look at the frame rate. If your project was recorded at 30 frames per second, export at 30. If it was shot at 60, export at 60. Keeping this consistent helps maintain smooth motion and avoid stutters. Changing it drastically usually doesn't fix quality, so it's better to match what you shot. Now focus on bitrate, which is crucial for how crisp your video looks. Higher bitrate generally means better quality, but also larger file sizes. If you have the choice between low, medium, and high, choose high for the best clarity. If there's a custom option, you can push it higher for detailed or fast-moving footage, as long as your file size stays manageable. Before you hit export, double-check that the format is set to a common option like MP4, and that hardware acceleration is enabled if your computer supports it. This doesn't change the visual quality, but it speeds up the export process. Once everything looks good, click Export and let CapCut process your video. When it's done, watch the final file outside of CapCut in a regular media player to confirm that the resolution, smoothness, and sharpness all meet your expectations.